Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Buzz checking in, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, go ahead and take a look around the channel. If you see anything that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to recommend it to other viewers, and go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your AC unit. It's the beginning of May. We're in Georgia. The hot is going to get hot. Yesterday the house got up to 84 degrees. Or maybe it was 83, but today is not so hot today. Today we're lucky, it's 73 downstairs and 76 degrees upstairs. A little warmer than we usually like to keep it. Right now we have fans running to keep us cool. So this trick, this is the first time I'm trying this. This is something that we got from, calling around AC, HVAC, repair service people. And one lady just offered this advice to check this. She said check the water pan under the AC unit up in the attic. And I did, and it was full of water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna suck the water out, she said, and then we're gonna take the water out of the pan, and then maybe wait an hour, and then wait and see if that works. And I don't know, see if the water is still in there, if the water returns to the pan. She also said suck out some vents outside. So I'm gonna try that out, and yeah, let's go see if it works. All right, so we're going upstairs to the attic. Alright, so we're up here in the attic. So we got Christmas trees and all our Christmas decorations up here. And this is the AC unit. Right there, that gray thing. This gray box thing. And that is the drip pan right there. And as you can see, the thing is full of water. So this is the water that I'll be sucking out. So yeah, let's try it. Oh, it's hot up here, y'all. Yeah, so there is an outlet up here. So that's the outlet I'll be plugging in this vacuum that I'll be sucking up that water with. All right, and this is the vacuum that I'm gonna be using. This is just a regular handheld carpet vacuum. I think it's especially made for pets or something like that. But it's the Bissell Little Grain. Yeah, just a little, I figured this would work because it sucks up. That's the carpet shampoo. So I actually plan on taking this off. This comes off. Yeah, and use that to suck up the water. So let's try it. Let's give it a try. Alright, so got my vacuum cleaner set up here. It's plugged in. It sucks, so let's go ahead and see if it gets the water. Alright, so it actually does suck up water. I think one of my problems I'm running into is this thing is small, and I'm gonna have to keep on emptying this out. So I'm gonna have to get a bucket to keep on doing that. Oh, sorry, I didn't know I was still recording. Alright, so I ran off to get a big cooler. You're gonna need a big bucket or something if you're just working with a small vacuum like I am. So I feel like this is gonna take a little while. There's a lot more water than I expected. So yeah, I got this 5-gallon water cooler, and I'm just gonna keep on emptying it into the cooler. Here we go. Alright, so I think I've reached as much water as I can actually suck out. You see the water cooler I was using to dump the water. I filled up one, so that was 5 gallons. This looks like it might be 2 more gallons, so about 7 gallons. And it's hard to get the rest of that with this vacuum shampoo, but you see it's going down a lot. I mean, 7 gallons of water out of there. There's probably like 1 more gallon left. So the lady said wait a little while to see if it refills. So that's what I'm going to do next. Alright, so now that I've drained as much water as I can out of there, the next step, you're going to drain this pipe right here. I guess you're not going to drain it from out this way. I'm going to see if I can suck it from wherever it lets out on the outside. So following this white pipe, I'm going to go down. Looks like it goes down to that side of the house, and I think I know where that vent is. That's really the only pipe outside the house I have access to without a ladder, so that's the one I'm going to try to drain. And I'm going to use the vacuum. As you can see, I am drenched. It looks like I done went to a whole workout. But yeah, AC or not, it feels way better down here than it does up in that attic. So I drained out as much water as I could. Next, I'm about to go to the outside of the house and drain the little pipe vent thing. I'm not sure if this is going to actually work, but I'm going to give it a try, and that's all we can do. Let's go. So I went all around the house, and it only makes sense that it's this vent right here. Alright, so this is the AC unit. Everything looks good in there, right? So, I'm guessing this pipe right here. How convenient. There's a outlet right here. I'm about to plug this in, the same thing that I used to drain out the drip pan. Just, I guess, try to see the end of that. Alright, so I was able to plug that up outside. I guess this is good news. I got some water dripping out after I had to create like a suction around the vacuum and the pipe because it didn't really fit perfect. And it was a tight squeeze. But I did get water dripping out, so I guess that's a good sign that some kind of clog has been unclogged. So I guess I'm about to wait an hour to see if that drip pan fills up even more. But yeah, we'll wait and see. Think we should try the AC now, or no? Wait an hour and then try. So it's been about an hour. Coming back up here to check to see if there's been any more water leaking. Let's see. Doesn't feel like a significant difference. I'm just gonna get the vacuum to see if I can suck any more up, or to see if it's like, if that's all I can get. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy on and see what we get. So pretty much that's all the water you can suck up. The vacuum wasn't sucking up anymore. It doesn't look like we're gonna be able to suck the rest of that up. So I guess I'm ready to turn on the AC and see if it works now. Alright, so it's about that time. I'm about to try to see if the AC works, about to see if this actually worked. The temperature right now downstairs is 75 degrees and upstairs is 79 degrees. Luckily, it's not one of those hot days, midsummer, June, July. This has been pretty much a cool month of May. It hasn't really gotten to the temperatures that, you know, we're used to seeing. But yeah, that's a good thing. So hopefully it continues throughout the summer. But yeah, 75 degrees downstairs, 79 degrees upstairs. I'm about to turn the AC on upstairs and downstairs to see what we have. Oh, or maybe I should just try it for one. I'll just try it upstairs. Yesterday, like I said, it reached 83 degrees. So it's a little bit cooler today than it was yesterday. But turn on the AC upstairs. Let's see, let's just set it just set it to 75, just to be safe. Let's just get it down some. All right, so we're trying to go from 79 down to 75. So let's see how that works. Time is now 2:58. And yeah, let's see if this works. All right, so the time is now 3:45 and the temperature upstairs is now 77 degrees. So it looks like we're working our way down to 75 degrees, and I know it's gonna take some time, so I feel like I fixed it. I'm not sure how long this fix is actually gonna last. We still have the HVAC technician scheduled to come out here on Tuesday. So this is a quick fix between now and when you can actually get a technician to come out. Because most of the time, whenever you call them, they're not going to be there right away, and they usually can't come the exact same day unless you luck up, or unless I don't know, that person might cost a whole bunch of more money than if you have to wait. So this is a quick fix. Try it out for yourself. This worked for me, so I don't know if I was strapped for cash, then I would continue. I don't know. I might even cancel the technician, that comes out that we have scheduled to come out on Tuesday, and hey, I could keep on doing that. I don't know how long this. Like I said, I don't know how long this is gonna last. I don't know how much water drips at a certain time whenever you're running the AC. But yeah, I think we might be straight for a little bit, but we're probably still gonna have the technician come out and see to make sure, just see why there's even water dripping in the first place. So hey, that's a quick fix. That's how to fix your AC unit. Bye guys.